In terms of conduct, whether you are a monk, a ngakpa, or a nun, it is crucially important that you live according to the statement, "To tame one's mind is the essence of the Dharma." The greatest kindness one can show oneself is to practice conscientiously according to the instructions and the teachings one is following. Avoid behaving in the opposite way, being insincere about your vows and commitments, developing attachment and aggression towards fellow practitioners, or arguing with superiors and inferiors, with other groups, or with those who hold different views. The most important thing is that as you would avoid drinking poison, you forsake entirely anything that might corrupt the teachings, any disputes or dissension, and anything negative that might incur the stern punishment of the dakinis and Dharma protectors who possess the eyes of wisdom.